So can someone tell me what this humming might be? My shop said that it was the engine mounts causing the engine to hit the subframe and vibrate, but I keep hearing it, but it's like a... Whenever I'm on the gas. It's been doing this since about a week after I bought it. It's about 20,000 miles it's been doing this for now. I don't know if you hear, whenever I'm... Not when I'm giving it a lot of gas, when I'm just coasting along, like maybe 2,000 RPM, I just get a... Just a little hum, a little faint hum. Like that. It goes away at higher speeds, like 45, 50 it goes away, but it does it pretty loudly at like 20, 30, 40 miles an hour, just coasting along whenever there's throttle applied. If I set the cruise, it'll still do it. It's just whenever there's any torque coming out of the engine from the accelerator. It's just light acceleration. Let me get that away from you. Off the gas. Off. On. Off. Alright, I figured I'd just document that, see if we can figure out what that is. Alright, thanks.